on Gagajoy. Today we're going to be doing refrigerator crispy peppers, or you can go ahead and seal them, and maybe for the winter. But today I was just going to do it for the refrigerator and give one to my friend. So I've got a recipe, so I don't want to give it to you wrong. It's 4 cups of peppers. I've got 8, so I'm going to be doubling mine, but I'm giving you the 1. So it's 4 cups of peppers, 2 large onions. I think this is right. And you want to cut them about the same size as you do the peppers. You'll see these peppers, I have all kinds of choppers and things, and this is how I did it, because in the end it was the best. It was like peeling an apple. I just went like this. A knife sharp. And also it was very easy to do. Better than me trying to put that thing. I tried that and it didn't work. So I like to do things that works for me. I'm just going to cut my onions here. Now, the spices are 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of apple vinegar, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. The next ones are the real spices. A tablespoon of mustard seed. Yeah. One tablespoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, celery, here it is. I love to smell celery seed. I love it. A teaspoonful of turmeric, I just call it turmeric, but it's turmeric. A teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper. Now remember, when you want the recipe, it's always up over my head when you first come in. Just lock your camera, lock your iPad, and you could get the recipe. And it's 4 cups of peppers, 2 large onions, a cup of white vinegar, a cup of apple cider vinegar, a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of mustard seed, a teaspoon of celery, turmeric, and salt, and black pepper. Now, it also counts for a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, but I'm not going to put those in there because I'm going to put a little bit of jalapenos in mine later. Now, on the stove, I've got the 2 cups of 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of apple vinegar, and a cup of sugar. And all you have to do is just let it till the sugar melts. That's milk. Now I'll put my spices in. Now I'm going to put my peppers in. Okay, we'll go with 2. 4 peppers. And you see, it's real easy. I mean, it's real easy to do. It's just a little time consuming to get it prepped up for it. Get this in there right quick. Now, when this comes up to a full boil, I'm going to count the minutes. If you're going to can your peppers, I will let it go to 8 minutes. But I want to put mine in the refrigerator, and I want, because excuse me, I want a little bit crispy. So I'm going to, I think we'll let mine cook maybe 4 minutes. I'm going to work up here. So, and basically what I'm doing is making refrigerator peppers, veggie peppers. So, it's just about boiling. Okay. So I'm going to let it cook for 3 minutes. Mine has boiled 3 minutes. You see, I'm going to leave. Now, if you want to can them, go ahead and do the 8 minutes. I'm doing the 3 because I want to put them in the refrigerator. But I got to let them cool. It said let them cool for an hour. Unless you're going to can them. So that's what I'm going to do. They look beautiful, and the vinegar is strong. Anyway, we'll be back. I didn't have my lights on for my video, so I want to show you how pretty these are. Now, see how pretty they are now that the lights are. My son's going to kill me, but death comes easy. See you soon. Bye.